coated in patented SIMpull Cable Jacket for easier pulling, stripping, and installation. Primarily used in residential wiring as branch circuits for outlets, switches, and other loads. UL listed type NMB. 12 gauge, 3 conductors with ground, 50 per coil. Made in America. For general wiring of homes, stores, and shops. Southwire Romex brand SIMpull NMB, non-metallic-sheathed, cable may be used for both exposed and concealed work in normally dry locations at temperatures not to exceed 90 degrees Celsius, with ampacity limited to that for 60 degrees Celsius conductors, as specified in the 2011 National Electrical Code. NMB cable is primarily used in residential wiring as branch circuits for outlets, switches, and other loads. NMB cable may be run in air voids of masonry block or tile walls where such walls are not wet or damp locations. Voltage rating for NMB cable is 600 volts. Top reviews from the United States. Quality and price. I had my kitchen remolded and only needed to finish some electrical work.